Hello guys, welcome to another video where I'll be showing you how to download and install Wondershare Filmora for free and cracked version, which would mean no watermark for you. And it's super easy and it only takes just about 2 minutes. Now I know it's really expensive and many of you can't afford it, so this tutorial is just for you. Okay, so first of all, this download link will be in the description. You just have need to download this, and don't worry, it's virus free. And I already have Filmora installed, so you just have to only extract this all into uh, you have to extract it anywhere, but I am just gonna do this that wait, sorry about the delay. I am just gonna open this, then open WinRAR and then move this into that folder so you all can see it. And then you don't have to worry about all of this, but you have to extract it. It's necessary. After that, you just have to run this setup normally and let it run. It is not a virus, I guarantee you, and it will be perfect. So the download link is in description and it will run perfectly. As you can see, I already have Wondershare Filmora right here. See, Wondershare Filmora. I can open it and show it to you guys for proof, and it is also fully cracked. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you loved it. Thank you.